क्या आप जानते हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश का एक ऐसा जिला भी है जो भारत की आधुनिक पहचान, ऊंची इमारतों, आईटी कंपनियों और तेजी से विकास का प्रतीक बन चुका है। आज हम बात करेंगे गौतम बुद्ध नगर की, जहां इतिहास, आधुनिकता और अवसरों का अनोखा संगम देखने को मिलता है। गौतम बुद्ध नगर इज वन ऑफ द youngest district of Uttar Pradesh. It was officially established in 1997 and was named after Lord Buddha, the great spiritual teacher whose teaching influenced millions around the world. The district has witnessed rapid urban development over the last few decades. Earlier, this region mainly consisted of agriculture village, but today it has become one of the India's fastest growing urban and industrial center. The development of Noida and Greater Noida transformed the district into an important economic hub. Gautam Buddha Nagar is located in the western part of Uttar Pradesh and formed part of the National Capital Region (NCR). It shares border with Delhi, Ghaziabad, Bulandshahr, Aligarh and Haryana. The Yamuna rivers flow along the western side of the district and contribute to its agricultural importance. The district has well-planned roads, expressways and modern infrastructure, making it one of the best connected districts in northern India. The climate is generally hot during summer, cool during winter and received moderate rainfall during the monsoon season. The culture of Gautam Buddha Nagar is a blend of traditional value and modern lifestyle. People from different states and regions live here, creating culture diversity. Major festivals such as Deepavali, Holi, Eid, Christmas and Buddha Purnima are celebrated with enthusiasm. Traditional music, dance and local fairs continue to be an important part of village life, while urban areas host culture events, exhibitions and festivals throughout the year. Hindi is primary language, although English is widely spoken due to the presence of multinational companies and educational institutes. Gautam Buddha Nagar offers several attractions for visitors. Noida is famous for its modern infrastructure, shopping center and entertainment zones. Some popular palaces include the Great Venice Mall in Greater Noida, Okhla Bird Sanctuary, known for migratory birds, Buddh International Circuits, India's famous Formula One racing track, various parks, museum and recreational center. The district also has excellent educational institutes, business center and technology parks that attracts students and professionals from across the country. Gautam Buddha Nagar is a perfect example of how tradition and modern development can grow together. From its historical connection with Lord Buddha to its modern cities, industries and educational center, the district represents the future of urban India. If you enjoy learning about Gautam Buddha Nagar, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep learning English and keep discovering India one district at a time.